Tariffs Explained, Part 2, Tariffs in American History. Tariffs aren't new. In fact, they helped build the United States. In the early 1800s, tariffs were one of the US government's biggest sources of money, long before there was an income tax. They protected growing northern industries. But southern states hated them. That tension helped fuel the Civil War. After the war, tariffs kept rising. They were seen as patriotic, protecting American jobs from cheap foreign goods. By the 1920s, some tariffs were over 40%. Then came the Smoot-Hawley Tariff of 1930. It raised tariffs during the Great Depression, hoping to protect US businesses. Instead, other countries retaliated. Global trade collapsed, and things got worse. Since then, tariffs have risen and fallen depending on the moment. War, recession, globalization, politics. But they've never gone away, and they still shape who wins, who loses, and what everything costs. Subscribe now. History's just getting started.